Today we are hiking Proxy Falls, and then hopefully we make it to Saheli and Kusa, but for now, just Proxy. So this is kind of a cool hike, because like everything around is just this like volcanic pumice stone. It's crazy because this whole area was kind of formed by volcanic activity. Fucking awesome. I don't even know what the fuck this thing is. What is it? Fucking hot though. It's fucking hot. Sweaty. Sticky. Hot. You almost ate shit. What? Don't eat the shit. Stop it. Be fast. Graceful. Probably gonna eat shit around this corner. Look at that cliffside up there. Holy shit. Parkour. Parkour. New boot goofing. You wanna get wet?
I wanna get wet.
We can. Yeah, you can go all up in there. It's nice.
You can go all up in there.
What'd you say?
You can get all up in there.
All up in where?
Wet.
That's cool rock. She a thirsty hoe. Say what? We can hear the water. The tiptoe through the tulips.
Chonky.
Chonky.
So I feel like I'm a little bit like less clumsy.
Chonky. Getting a little fucked up, are you, bud? Feels like it's like 20 degrees cooler down here already. Look at how clear the water is. Oh, fuck, it's cold. It is. Oh. Oh. Oh, fuck.
I'm trying to get closer. But it's right there. Look at this loser. Fucking pussy. It's okay, he's probably the coolest person I know.